We are going to make some spaghetti sauce tonight. I love to cook, and I'm excited to use my Thrive Life things. I have been swimming, and now it's time to make supper for my dear husband. So this Thrive Life is going to make his favorite meal, and so fast. So what we have here, I'm going to use the sausage crumbles, dried mushrooms, chopped onions, the tomato sauce, which makes a great spaghetti sauce, and we're going to add some green chili peppers with that, plus a little extra Italian seasoning. So I've got my skillet here ready to go, and I'm going to use, I'm going to measure the vegetables first, and then I can add the sausage. So I'm going to make this recipe with a little bit extra so we can have leftovers. So the mushrooms smell so good. That is going to be good. I'm just putting this together, so we'll see how it comes out. Here's the chopped onions. They're very fine. So let's put in a couple scoops of that. I'm not going to measure, we're just going to stick it in. I'm going to put in about half what I think I need for the tomato sauce because I want to add some more at the end. Let's let it cook in. Just not even a scoop. Put the oxygen absorber back in. And you can, once you get this tried, you can fix it for your family, whichever proportions you like. So let's get this going. Oh, I'm going to need some more of that one. It's so handy to have on hand. So, the spaghetti's going to go in the big pot, but let's put added enough water to kind of double the volume. Just going to give that a good stir. I think mostly just to make sure the tomato sauce gets mixed in. And I'll come back and check that as we're going. Low heat. Put the cover on. Now in this kettle, just water. I'm copying this recipe from Bill and Elizabeth on Tiny House Prepper. So he said to just cook the spaghetti from cold water. So let's try that. I'm going to save that water because from the organic produce, I'm down here with you, I'm going to cook some corn once the water is hot. And we'll have a couple of peaches to add some fresh food. So that's the meal. I'll come back after these things are cooked. It took about 3 minutes to put all those things and add the water. So I can smell it, and it's smelling good. Smelling wonderful. So let's give that a stir. Plenty of water. And I'm going to add some of the Italian seasonings just to kick it up. You can add in a little, maybe as much as you like. Let's see how that smells. Okay. Stir that in. And turn the heat down to simmer. I set the clock just so I can keep an eye, and that's been on for about 7 minutes. Let's turn that heat down to simmer. I like meals that I can fix in about 30 minutes. This looks hot. And I'm going to thicken it up in just a minute, but it looks like the spaghetti noodles are done. I said I wanted to save that hot water, so I'm going to transfer the spaghetti out and put the hot water back in the pot. Corn's ready to go in, and the peaches are sliced. Maybe I'll put a little sugar and cream on those. So let's get that corn cooking. The corn isn't going to mind going in that spaghetti water. One little bit. Turn the heat up high on that. There it is. And let's take a look at our sauce. That smells good. It's time to serve this up.
What's this?
So you've got some sliced peaches, buttered corn on the cob, and some spaghetti.
Wonderful.
So, pray first.
Yeah, our Father, thank you for this food. Safe by grateful. Chance to do what?
All right. See how you like the sauce. I
Take a picture.
I am taking a movie of you tasting it.
All right. Spaghetti it is. Very good, honey.
Thanks. Well, that turned out awesome. I like meals that I can fix in 25 minutes. That was perfect. So today, this is my first video on Cook with Martha. I also signed up as a consultant with Thrive Life. I've been a customer and loved making the food, and I need an organizer. That is one of the things that comes with the big consultant kit. It has a fancy name. So that is it for today. Thanks for being with me. I really enjoyed it.